Hi friends, today we are discussing about two most powerful villains. That is Sauron versus Lord Voldemort. Let's have a look who would win. Death Eaters versus Orcs. There are tens of thousands of Orcs while there are only about 100 Death Eaters. The Orcs use medieval weapons like bow and arrows. But the Death Eaters are far more skillful and knows magic. Even the weakest Death Eater could cast Fiend Fire, which is enough to destroy the whole army of Death Eaters. Imagine about skillful Death Eaters like Greyback and Carrows and other Death Eaters also can cast terrible dark magics like Fiend Fire and even to control them. Death Eaters can manipulate elements and transfigure the matters. They can fly, death unsupported flight in movies and with brooms in books, this gave them edge to Death Eaters. They also could teleport to escape from attack and cast unpredictable attacks. While Orcs are less useful and more in numbers. But Death Eaters are much useful. They can control the Orcs with Imperious Curse and can cast large shield charms. Moreover, unlike Orcs, Death Eaters are strongly connected to their master. The point goes to Death Eaters. Dementors versus Ringwraiths. Dementors are terrible creatures in Harry Potter. They doesn't have soul. Dementors cannot be killed or destroyed. But on the other hand, Ringwraiths can be destroyed. While Ringwraiths are afraid of any light. The only way to get rid of Dementors are Patronus Charm, which can be casted only by human wizards and Myers cannot. This gave them edge in the battle. While comparing to the number, Ringwraiths are only 9. While there are numerous Dementors existing in Harry Potter. While Ringwraiths need weapons to attack and harm, Dementors doesn't need anything, and they don't want to depend on the horses to travel because Dementors can fly. The only weakness of Dementors is they can sense only humans. But while we are going into deep, we can understood that Dementors can also sense those who are part human. Like when Voldemort ordering Dementors who dehumanized himself. And even Hagrid was afraid of them. But Animagus are pure animals. So Dementors are much stronger. So the point belongs to Dementors. Horcruxes versus the One Ring. The One Ring is the most powerful weapon in the Middle Earth. Sauron poured his power into the One Ring to extend his power and rule other rings of power. While Sauron is depend only on one ring, Voldemort has 6 Horcruxes, and himself. Horcruxes can be only destroyed by Fiend Fire, which only human wizards can perform. And the Basilic Venom, while the One Ring can be destroyed by dragons and the fire in Mount Doom. Both of them are accessible to Death Eaters. When the One Ring destroys, Sauron's power will be reduced, while even after the destruction of 7 Horcruxes, Voldemort's power remained completely in himself. Moreover, all the 6 Horcruxes are far more protected than the One Ring, which will make them still ahead. Voldemort is the one who raid the whole Europe for a wand and enter the Ministry at most dangerous time to kill Harry. He possesses indomitable willpower and unbreakable determination. This proves that Voldemort would surely find the secret of the One Ring. Now, the point goes to Horcruxes. Magical abilities and skills. Sauron is powerful and had done many awesome feasts. On the other hand, Voldemort is the most powerful dark wizard in Harry Potter universe. And brilliant student ever attended at Hogwarts. Voldemort throughout the series had done more magical feasts and show his ability than Sauron. He even managed to do things which were considered as impossible. Like unsupported flight and multiple Horcruxes. He even created his own spells and magic. Understanding magic than any other wizard. Sauron is also powerful, but while comparing to Voldemort's magical ability and skills, it is impressive. Sauron may created the universe. But we had seen a universe in Newt Scamander's suitcase, with stars and moons also. And Voldemort is powerful than Newt, he possesses much more ability than Sauron. Like teleportation, flight, fiend fire, unblockable curses and hexes, and many other powerful spells and abilities with indomitable willpower and unbreakable determination. So the point goes to Voldemort. Magical creatures. There are plenty of magical creatures in both universe. In Harry Potter universe it is filled with magical beasts which can kill anyone with eye. And many other creatures. Dragons in both Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter series are same. Both have fire-breathing ability and hard skin. But however, dragons in Lord of the Rings can think and also can speak. This ability give them edge. While comparing to other creatures like giant spiders and many other, it is also likely to be time. But the magical creatures in Lord of the Rings have brain, and the point goes to them. So the winner is Voldemort. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.